Ever since, he's earned his living during shrimping season, working long, grueling days so that he could earn enough money to support himself year-round. He received a round of applause from a group of Republican and Democratic senators. Our economy doesn't need another round of. In the weeks and months ahead, we'll release a second round of fuel efficiency standards for heavy-duty vehicles.
Go to joiningforces.gov to see how you can honor and support the service members, veterans, and military families in your community, not just during the holidays, but all year round.
So please give all of these legislators a big round of applause. They deserve a big round of applause, so give them a... I want to congratulate everybody who makes this program run, from the assistants to the trainers, from the students to the ticket takers. All of you should be very, very proud. And for a big round of applause. I think you'll find just an outstanding partner in her. Please give her a big round of applause. Please give Carol Browner a big round of applause. Please give them a big round of applause. Please give Harry Reid a... While we know that we will not escape the worst financial crisis in decades without some losses to taxpayers, it's worth noting that in the first round of repayments from these companies, the government has actually turned a profit. Lieutenant Governor Barbara Lawton is here. Give Barbara a big round of applause.
This is our reward for all that hard work, and I want the media here to give these kids a round of applause.
All right, everybody, give Bobby Clay a big round. Give them a big round of applause. He's worth giving a round of applause. Give Tim Kaine a big round of applause.